Welcome to this video tutorial series on law and legal research. This course has been developed by the James J. Lunsford Law Library to help Hillsborough County residents learn about the legal system and how to use print and digital resources provided by the Hillsborough County Public Library Cooperative.
In this video tutorial, we're going to look at the Gale legal forms. This resource is available at any of the Hillsborough County Public Library branches, or if you have your HCPLC library card, you can access this remotely. When you're on the hcplc.org webpage, you'll notice across the top here we have the different tabs. We're going to go to Learning and Research, scroll down to Legal Research, and then right here, the Florida Legal Forms, Gale Legal Forms, are what we're going to go into. So we'll just click there. And as you can see, there's a search box here at the top. They have the alphabet here where you can break down by subject matter. And some of the main categories are listed here that you can click into and then dig down to the specific subcategories within those. Since I want to show you a couple of things in here, I'm going to search for a specific form myself. We're going to go for a power of attorney. So I've just put that into the search box. We click, and as you can see, there's 135 forms dealing with the power of attorney available on this site. Obviously, you want to have to go through and compare to see if there's one that actually fits your situation. There's not going to be a form for everybody just to fill in the blank. If you want something that is unique to what you need, you may have to use this as a drafting guide and change the language. But since there is such a large selection, hopefully you'll find one that you can just use as is. Of course, that's always the best thing, since any of these forms that start with the FL, like they're shown here, are written specifically for Florida law by an attorney. So we're going to go under the durable and general, click the durable power of attorney here. Now, as you can see, this is available in Spanish as well as English. We can open this in MS Word, and we'll go ahead and actually download it. Oh, there's an error message I need to get rid of. But okay, here we are with the form. And as you can see, this is in a Word format, so you can go ahead, just type in your information. And when you've got it completed, assuming, of course, you've read through it first to make sure that it does say what you need it to say. As you can see, this particular power of attorney is 9 pages long, so they can be quite broad, they can be very specific, or, like I say, since they are in Word, you can also modify the language of the form itself and make it fit your situation. So we have our form. We can go ahead and we're not going to bother to save it since we're doing that. And close that. And close my download screen. And here we are back. And again, if you needed this in Spanish, not all forms on Gale Legal Forms are available in both English and Spanish. But if there is a Spanish version available, it will have it listed right here. So you can go either way. I would also like to mention, just while we are in here, that our most popular item here at the Law Library is the summary administration, which is a way to probate an estate in Florida. It's for estates valued at $75,000 or less, minus the exemption for homesteaded real property. But as you can see, by searching for summary administration, it actually pulls up 2 copies. This is because it's actually listed twice under the probate small estates and under court samples probate small estates. But as you can see, the packet numbers are identical, so this is just a duplicate. Again, just like with power of attorney, you can click on it. You can get download. This one is not available in Spanish, unfortunately, but you just open the MS Word, download it. You can fill it out, print off a blank copy, and use a black ink pen and print if you don't want to go through and do everything while you're at the computer. A couple of different ways to handle going about doing it, but this is a wonderful resource, and we highly recommend that you've got your library card, sign in, check it out. There aren't a lot of litigation-related legal forms. Most of them are more contractual, business, family-oriented, but there's a huge selection, and they can really simplify your life so much if you can find something to go by. Worst case scenario, at least it gives you the format, the basic layout for the forms, even if you do not find one that fits your situation. But this is a resource we're very lucky to have, and I really hope you take advantage of it. Have a great day.